Hello, I just wanted to share some of the ways that you can use the Planner tool to collate and share resources. This is not just useful for sharing resources with parents who are currently home educating, it's also a great tool to help improve homeschool links and support parents throughout the year while their children are in school. You can find the Planner tool along the right-hand side of the Twinkl website. If you click this tab, the tool will pop out over the screen. From here, we can click Add a Lesson and give it a title. This lesson is going to be about addition and subtraction, so I'll type that in and press Enter. The lesson is currently empty, as we haven't brought in any resources, but we have a few options down here that I want to go over. We can delete the lesson by clicking this cross. We can share or save the lesson to the hub, which I'll go over in a bit more detail later on in the video, or edit. Clicking the edit icon, I can change the title or add a description to the lesson. All I need to do to go back is click the arrow at the top of the tool. Time to start adding resources. I think I want to add this Maths Knowledge Organizer. To do this, I click on the resource on the resource page, hold and drag over to the Planner tool. I might also share this guide for parents, as well as a couple of other supporting resources. The guides are especially useful for parents who might not normally teach at home, as it spells out what students normally learn. I can see another resource that I like the look of, but it's not quite suitable for this lesson. If I click and drag it across to the Add a Lesson section of the planner, I can create a new lesson. I'll just need to give it a name as I did previously. Then I can return to that lesson plan later. Okay, so I've collected my resources. I just need to share them. If I hover over the addition and subtraction lesson in my planner, I get the options at the bottom, the delete and edit and the save and share options. If I click Save to Hub, the lesson is saved and I can follow this link to find it. If I click Share, I'll be given a PIN code. Send that PIN to students or parents and ask them to enter it at twinkl.co.uk/share. Even if they don't have a Twinkl account, they will be able to access the shared resources.